everybody. Don't you think it's time to go back to Mother Nature? Don't you think it's time to do more natural things to your body? Well, I have here organic, therapeutic grade essential oils. They're made from plants. This one's the oregano plant. We have about 5 others, including clary sage, sweet orange, and lemongrass. Every single one of the essential oils plants do different things for your body, and you can find the one that's right for you by looking at the product and seeing which ailment that it can help, such as if you have inflammation or spasms or candida overgrowth, parasites, and many other things that happen in the colon and intestines. Essential oils can help with. All you have to do is tap 2 drops of the essential oil into 4 cups of water and do your enema. And you can also add some of the essential oils directly into enema coffee. Okay. So everybody's now realizing how important the ingredients in coffee, plants are to the human system, and to use them with what we feel is the most natural enema bucket material you can get, and that is glass. It's pure, non-toxic, and it's so easy to clean. It's excellent for essential oils. Glass is great because you can see through it, and it has easy to read solution levels.